Hello, it's Jeff Keller with Century 21 Jeff Keller Realty. I'm in North Augusta, Aiken, South Carolina, Aiken County, and we are here at one of the most prestigious turn-of-the-century homes. It's renovated and updated for this walkthrough video. So, come on inside, you'll see the home built in 1901, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, with a front porch. This house has a lot of superlatives and items of the turn-of-the-century homes that you would look for. This home is best used as probably office space or Airbnb, but it offers a lot of traffic out front, but also a backyard in the back so you could enjoy. The dining room, original hardwood floors, chair rail, some of the subway tile, original fireplace. Unlikely that it works, but it is decorative. Updated light fixtures. Here's some of the best spots here. This would be like an office. The half bath. This is probably a bedroom of the most prestige in the long time ago. Here we have some original tile and some wood on the ceiling. Come back this way. So one of the best features of the home is the kitchen. A lot of hard surface countertops. Some original drop down ceilings. Gas appliances, double ovens. Here. Hardwoods in the kitchen. Central air for a home built in 1901 is a modern update for sure. Outside here we have a room addition. Come back through, we have some foyer area, side entrance. We go upstairs, quite a grand staircase. Another hall bath here. Most homes in the area didn't have a shower, but here's the stand-up shower here for a home like this. Early century homes didn't really have very much as far as showers go, but they did have clawfoot tubs, super tall ceilings. Most homes in this era have adjoining bathrooms and very little or no closet space, with fireplaces in the bedroom. You got to remember, in 1901 there was no central air. Central air wasn't really part of wasn't part of our housing needs until 1940. It didn't become a part of new construction until 1960. So home in 1901, you're probably going to see quite a few fireplaces in the bedroom. Well, originally those were used for heat, but we don't do that anymore. Here we have more 9-foot ceilings. A lot of original fixtures here. Enormous baseboards. The closet space, minimal. Here again, in the early centuries, we didn't have master bedrooms where we know now with like a California king, but it is showcased 2 single beds. An excellent master's rental. Come this way and you'll see the porch. Wherefore Alpha Romeo, this was used as a porch because back in the day we didn't stay inside. So everything was outside. So it was considered a modern convenience to go outside and sit. No central air, so people went outside a lot more to catch a breeze. Thanks for watching my video. My name is Jeff Keller with Century 21. I've seen the home in person and we are local. Please be aware of housing scams. Century 21 will never ask you for money through Cash App, Zelle, or Venmo. Make an appointment today. We'd love to see you. Thanks.